occasion of Guru Gobind Singh's birthday, we are organizing a free ENT and surgical camp. This will be on 4th, 5th and 6th and 7th of January 2014. It will be held at SMS Surgical and ENT Hospital, which is situated at Liberty Road. We are expecting around 200 to 300 patients. In this, we are organizing a free checkup for patients who have nose problems like nose block, discharge in the nose, or there is a block in the nose, or if you have a sore throat problem, voice problems, neck problems, swelling in the necks, or if you have any ear problems where you are having a discharge or you are having difficulty in hearing, we will be providing you free services for this month. And if needed, there is need, we will provide you free surgeries also. This is being financed by Summers Foundation, which is a organization offered by Surinder Singh Arora for in name of his patient, father and mother. Around 200 to 300 patients we are going to think, and we are about to get around 10 to 15 operations also. SMS ENT Hospital is equipped with world-class equipments, like we have a high-definition camera for doing a laparoscopic and endoscopic surgeries. We are also having a Zeiss operating microscope. We are having a coabulator, which is the world's latest cutting equipment available, which cuts like a cold, like anything. Yesterday we did one adenoidectomy. It was over within 20 minutes. The child has come from Dubai specially for this kind of operations which we are doing. These operations are specially having a good this thing, because this is a cutting tool which operates at a lower temperatures of 40 to 45 degrees. Coabulator surgeries cost around 30,000 rupees, because that is the one surgery. The expenses are the tools and the equipment. So if we are not charging much, but the cost is because of the equipments. So that is a non-reusable. It is a use and throw wand, which if we use, we have to throw it after this thing, because that otherwise it doesn't cut and give you bleedings. So the cost is basically because we have an imported equipment that is causing in dollars. So that's the cost is otherwise, as a surgical charges, we are doing it at the same cost of what we do for the routine surgeries. Sir, our hospital, we are providing a super specialty services, but at a price of almost 50% of what others do.